Good question. I'll show you some of the damage. All the flowers that were here to put the salt water. This is all the stuff that came out of the trailer so far. It's like a war zone here. Look at this piece of plywood. It's a big, huge piece of plywood. 4 by 8, 3/4 inch. You just picked it up and dumped it right there. It's all the stuff that was in the trailer that can't be there anymore. Look at the backyard. Would you believe that? Look at that. Crazy. There's stuff here that doesn't even belong to me. I'm not going to be able to see in here because it's dark. No power. This is the trailer, inside the trailer. Yeah. So let's see. You can't see in here really. Maybe a little bit. So the water came up to about here. That's the line right there. So from the floor to there. All this stuff here. Yep. Bad. Out of 25 years, nothing ever. Water never came in here. Never. In 25 years. I mean, I've got water on the street, but never here. So right now, this is my life. Somebody said I can call FEMA. I don't know how long that's going to take. I don't know where I can go, but it smells terrible in here.